September 2012, MoDOT worker Clifton Scott hit and killed by a drunk driver.
It's been tough.
Yeah, it's been tough.
Clifton Scott Jr. now living once again where his dad raised him. The house sitting vacant for 3 years in probate court while Scott lived out of state. Thieves stole the water heater, copper pipes, and the air conditioner stopped working.
I just know he would be very upset to know that, his son is living here without air conditioning. He has asthma.
Enter Nine Can Help and Jay Tansey, AAA Refrigeration.
So that's what you need replaced, is this outdoor unit.
Working out a plan for a new AC.
I'm glad he could use it. I know what it is not to be able to breathe.
Mary Stamp saw the story and showed up with a window unit in the meantime.
All right, this is a good one too, Comfort Air.
I really am appreciative of this.
Scott thanking the community his dad served.
And I just want to say good luck.
Other people serving him now after tragedy.
He's probably looking down on me right now, smiling. I'm sure he is.